Being a musician, being a music artist is difficult to do, and it's important to have ways to support yourself. A lot of folks will have a full-time job, right? And it's important to be able to distinguish between what pays the bills and what pays or what fulfills your heart. And when you're in a position where those two things can meet, you're in a very blessed position. That requires figuring out the music business, how you can make money from music actually, but then also all of the different ways that you can hustle and figure out how to make money and pay the bills so that you can continue to do music. As an independent music artist, you probably have become tech savvy. You probably have figured out how to design a flyer. You probably figured out how to manage or design a website. You may have even figured out how to build a pitch deck or market or come up with marketing strategies. All of those things are incredible skills that are like in high demand. So if you can figure out how to offer those skills and abilities to other people, that's a way that is in alignment with your music journey to actually pay for your music journey until you start getting paid from your music. Music royalties, stage performances, there's so many different ways to make money in music. They're very difficult, whether that's merchandise, whether that's touring, whether that's endorsements. Those skill sets you build are important ways to bridge the gap.